What's most frustrating about the current real estate market conditions, and how are you addressing that frustration?
I think that that as opposed to CMBS, banks don't really have to sell their bad debt. In particular, the U.S. government has written new regulations and through the regulating bodies have allowed banks to extend defaulted loans, keep them on the books at full value. And what it has done is it allowed the banks to stay in business. If they were to sell off or recognize the value of the loans that they currently hold, then they might not be in business. So the government's allowed them to keep these bad loans on their books, and so it is a little bit frustrating in that you would think that there would hopefully be a resolution to a lot of these deals, and it's not coming. So that's frustrating.
Is it just simply a waiting game?
I think in the end it is. I think that a lot of it has to do with just where the economy is going to go. I think there's a lot of people at this point. I think that there's going to be a double dip. That GDP may contract in the end of 2010, and if that does happen, then it'll throw the market into further disarray, and nothing will get resolved for a longer period. If that doesn't happen and there is actually growth, and things are more stable, I do believe that at some point the banks will start to unload the things that went wrong for them.